Hello everyone, I hope you're doing great and ready for another grammar highlight of common mistakes in English. Today we are going to focus on the tricky verb suggest. By the way, how do we pronounce it? American English, suggest, suggest. British English, suggest, suggest. Did you notice the tricky nuance between them? Okay. Now let's see this sentence and tell me if it seems to be a right sentence. I suggest you to ask him. What's wrong? Let's see. That's a common mistake. I suggest you to ask him is wrong. How do we correct it? I suggest that you ask him, or I suggest you ask him, or I suggest asking him. Now let's see why. Suggest is a transitive verb. What does it mean? It means it needs a direct object. But what is the direct object? Is it you? I suggest you. Are you the object of this sentence? Or the object of this verb is you ask him. Actually, the matter of suggestion is your object. Not you, not him. You're looking for the object of the verb suggest. So, what's the object or the direct object of the verb suggest is the suggestion itself. It can be one word, it can be a noun phrase, or it can be a clause. Here, we are using a clause, a that clause, like I suggest that you ask him. It's a that clause. Even if we don't use that, it's still a that clause. Next one, I suggest asking him. Asking him is a noun phrase. Now, once again, we can either correct this common mistake by using a that clause, saying, I suggest that you ask him, or by a phrase, I suggest asking him. Now, according to what you have learned, tell me, and write your ideas in the comments. Is this sentence right? I suggested you to the employer. Pay attention. What is the object, the direct object of the verb suggest? Okay, see you in the next lesson.